Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Weak acid question coming in fast. We need the expression for hydronium concentration in 0.20 molar HX, and this one unwraps really cleanly. For a weak acid like HX, set up the dissociation as HX reacting with water to make H3O plus and X minus. Then call the hydronium formed X because that tracks the change neatly. Now, use the acid dissociation constant from the table. Ka equals X squared over the initial acid concentration. And here, that starting HX concentration is 0.20 molar. So, solve for X by rearranging to X equals the square root of Ka times 0.20, matching the hydronium estimate and confirming option C. Well done, option C. Scan now. Don't rush signs or setup. Trust the given Ka and check steps before choosing the square root expression.